This is my problem. When I just open this thing up, this guy was sitting in here pretty much like that. Come down, it was sitting like that. So the tensioner wasn't doing what it was supposed to do right here, which ended up cracking the guide because this screw was in my oil pan because it didn't get put in right, which caused this to get ate up pretty bad. And the other guy look okay. So yeah, first time doing this, took about an hour and a half. I had to fight with a couple pieces, but yeah. So this caused them to think the starter was bad. But the starter wasn't bad. The timer was jacked up. And they had just replaced this stuff. But since he didn't do it right, we gotta do it all over. Fun and fun. Don't pay to be lazy. Don't pay to be lazy. Look at that crap. We're gonna get it right though.